Top 6. Best Quiet Air Compressor. However, when it's time to choose the right quiet air compressor, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best quiet air compressor on the market today, so if you're interested in what quiet air compressor will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Best Overall. California Air Tools 8010 Air Compressor.
Hi, my name's Larry and I'm part of the product development team here at California Air Tools. And in front of me today is one of our new products. In front of me today is our California 8010 Air Compressor. This is a 1 horsepower, 110, 8-gallon steel tank air compressor. This air compressor produces 2.2 CFM at 90 PSI and 3.1 CFM at 40 PSI. As you can see, it's got 2 handles so you can lift this air compressor up. It is 48 pounds. It comes with wheels so you can move it around. This air compressor is a 1 horsepower air compressor as mentioned, and it is designed for airbrushing, engraving, filling your tires up, brad nailers, finish nailers, and a variety of other air tools. It comes with a industrial female quick connector, and it is a very nice air compressor. It's only 60 decibels. That means you can use it inside a house, on a job site, in a garage. It is a great air compressor, and it's a nice size tank to use for a lot of air tools. This air compressor is 60 decibels. Let me turn this on so you get to hear what the sound level is with this air compressor. So as you can tell, this is 60 decibels, which is quiet, which means you can stand next to it, talk, and work in a garage, a house, and not bother the neighbors or anyone else. Next to me is one of our competitors. This air compressor is 90 decibels. 90 decibels is unacceptable. It's very loud and very noisy. So as you can hear, that air compressor is very loud. And as you can tell here, this is only 60 decibels. It's our ultra quiet air compressor by California Air Tools.
Number 2. Runner-up. California Air Tools CAT 4620 AC Compressor. Number 3. Best Budget. DeWalt Air Compressor for Trim.
At just 71.5 decibels, the Quiet Trim Compressor from DeWalt is 50% quieter than the Porter Cable pancake-style compressor. Measurements on site can be communicated without shouting. It's that quiet. The lightweight and ergonomic design makes transportation effortless. Save space by operating and storing horizontally or vertically. With a compact 2.5-gallon tank, the Quiet Trim Compressor produces 3 SCFM and 200 max PSI. And it packs enough air to run up to 3 finish nailers at once. The DeWalt Quiet Trim Compressor. Guaranteed.
Number 4. Campbell Hausfeld DC060500 Portable Quiet Air Compressor.
Introducing Campbell Hausfeld Quiet Compressors, the quietest compressors we've ever made. Up to 50% less sound output than conventional designs. Delivering the power you need to get jobs done and the quiet operation you need to work virtually anywhere. You'll notice the difference in sound output immediately, and others will too. User-friendly design for easy monitoring and pressure adjustment. Available in 6-gallon and 8-gallon models to take on many common jobs, with key components designed to last up to 4 times longer. So your Campbell Hausfeld Quiet Compressor is always ready for the next job. Campbell Hausfeld. the compressed air expert.
Number 4. Campbell Hausfeld DC060500 Portable Quiet Air Compressor. Number 6. Campbell Hausfeld Quiet 1.3 gallons Air Compressor. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.